Hi friends, welcome to my channel Health Tips Foods. I tell you that dry nuts have the most nutritional and the health benefits than in vegetables, tuber and fruits. They have more nutritional value than meat and all of these. I keep telling you about the nutritional value and the health benefits of the many varieties of nuts and have been scientifically proven. Not many people know about the dried nuts I'm going to discuss now. It has many health benefits for women. It is also good for the liver and kidneys, all for those who are addicted to alcohol. Today I am going to discuss all of this one by one. I am going to discuss garden cressets that are available fresh and dry. The fresh ones is not available to us but is available in other countries. Dry seeds are available in the market for us. If you buy garden cressets wholesale online in bulk, it will cost 250 rupees. Buying in small quantities like 1 to 2 kgs cost around 300 rupees. Today we will look at the all benefits of garden cressets, also known as halim seeds. It has many benefits especially for women. Menstruation is irregular when the production of hormone estrogen is reduced. It is also lead to infertility. Osteoporosis as not flashes occurs when estrogen levels drop during menopause. This also weakens the body at onset. Most women use medications for estrogen. Taking garden cressets given you phytoestrogens. I mentioned you have before that soybeans contain phytoestrogens. Estrogen is plants and plants. Products is called phytoestrogen. When we eat halim seeds after it enters the body and is digested, the phytoestrogens in it converted into human estrogen. So women can get normal levels of estrogen by eating halim nuts. It also regulates menstrual cycles. So taking it can help a lot to reduce the problems women face during menopause as they correct estrogen products in women. Many women suffer from the hot flashes during menopause. It has been scientifically proven that eating cressets can heal this. The vagina becomes dry. It causes irritations and pain during intercourse. Most women use a lot of products to get rid of vaginal dryness. Next, I will first explain how to take garden cressets and then eat other benefits. Many of you love to eat laddu. Make laddu by roasting garden cress seeds, adding honey and dates. You can make garden cress seeds laddu like peanuts and sesame laddu. Roasting it does not cause loss of nutrition. Eating this laddu once a day it is very good for health. You can add garden cress seeds powder paste made from the soaked nuts to the dishes. You can also make spices mix powder with it. Powder garden cress seeds can be added curry. You can eat it in any form you like. Before discussing the other benefits, would you like I say about the nutrition in it? It contains many important nutrition. 100 grams of dry garden cress seeds have 445 calories in energy. It provides 4 times more energy than meat. It contains 23 grams of protein, which is 2 grams more than mutton. It has protein-rich foods. It contains 23 grams of fat and 33 grams of carbohydrates. These are the micronutrients in garden cress seeds. It contains 8 grams of fiber, 5 grams of iron. The vitamin A content is 6920 international nuts. All of these are nutrients in dry garden cress seeds. Most women develop osteoporosis during menopause. Garden cressets are great for keeping bones from weakening. Mystine is a chemical compound that prevents the breakdown of liver cells and keep them healthy for a long time. Liver cells damage in people who consume alcohol, junk food, fast food, and acidic food. Eating garden cressets helps lot protect the liver from damage. Mitochondria produce energy in cells. Energy production is best if the mitochondria are well protected. If you all know that the liver cleanses the waste in the body, after the waste cleans by the liver enters the blood. The blood enters the kidneys. Garden cressets helps kidneys in detoxifying and removing waste from the blood. I let you know as most of you are not aware of benefits in certain food. I recommended women especially to consume garden cress seeds. It also prevents liver and kidney damage in alcohol addicts. Therefore, I advise you to eat garden cress seeds for all the discussed benefits. Thank you for watching.